Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube channel using your mobile phone. But first of all, before you think of creating a YouTube channel, you should first of all have a Gmail account that you use in creating the YouTube channel. Then afterwards, you should know what your YouTube channel is going to be about. That maybe whether it is going to be about beauty, travel and tour, um, photography, education and other things. Whatever that you are going to do on the YouTube channel, you should know first. Then deem it you have videos that you've already created or not, you can go on and then create your YouTube channel. So first of all, before you can create the YouTube channel, you should launch the YouTube application. So we go on and you launch the application. So when we launch the application, you see some red um round icon on the right hand side of your mobile device. So you tap, that is on top of it, so you tap on that round icon to move you to another um, menu. So from that menu you see your channel, YouTube studio, time watch and other things. You tap on your channel. So when you tap on your channel, this is what will come out. Now YouTube is asking the name that you want to use as your channel name. So you type in the name that you use. So for me, I'll be using Fresh B as my YouTube name. So I type in Fresh B. Oh, sorry. First name first. So I type in my name, Fresh B. Now afterwards, after I've typed in the name that I will be using, I can tap on Create Channel. Now when you tap on Create Channel, now the channel has been created. Channel has been created. So after the channel is being created, you can go on and upload videos, or you can go on then maybe um edit the channel, then whatever you want to do. So let me go back to my channel. So my channel, now from this place I can edit the channel, so I can add a profile pic or a thumbnail. Then I can add the description of my channel. So what is the channel about? So my channel is about, let's say I'm going to tell people something about myself. So I'm going to type in me and everything about myself. So that is what my YouTube channel is going to be about. So whatever thing that your YouTube channel is about, you should type in the description. Then afterwards, it's asking of the privacy. That's maybe whether you want everything on your channel to be private or not. Now the channel is going to be a public channel, so you have to switch off all these so that people will see your videos and other things. Okay, so I'm going to switch off all this to make the channel a public channel. So afterwards, I can go back to my channel. Now, since we are done with editing, adding profile picture, thumbnail, um, then making the channel a public channel, we can go on and upload the videos that we've already created. So I tap on either create or the plus sign that you see over there. So let's tap on create. Now when you tap on create, you see upload video, or also you can tap on the plus sign, it will give you the same thing. So when we tap on it, it will bring us to our videos, whatever video that you want to upload, whatever video that you want to upload. You tap on it. So for me, I'm going to upload this video. So I'm going to upload video now. YouTube gives you the opportunity to edit the video that you are going to upload before you upload it. So from here, I'm going to add the title. What is the title of the video that you are uploading? So mine, I'm going to say um, very brave child battles fetish priest. So that is the title of my video. Now, what is the description? So say something little about the video you're uploading. So this video, this video, okay, video is about a girl battling a fetish priest. So whatever description that you want to give the video that you're uploading, you can give to it. Then afterwards, we tap on next. We tap on next. Now it is asking select audience, whether it's a video for kids or it's a video that is not for kids. Now the video, it's not for kids because when we we select it's made for kids, that means we are creating contents which contains cartoons and other things, and it will be limited to only children. So we have to tap on no, it's not made for kids. Then we upload. We go on to upload. Now the amount of time that it will take for your video to upload depends on um, your network speed. All right, and the size of the video you're uploading. All right, so my network is a bit slow. It's a bit slow.